What is up, guys? I am Tort, and it has been 8 months since I made a video on this channel. So 8 months. I'm trying to think 8 months ago. I don't even know when that was. A lot of stuff has happened. My hair's a little different color. It's gonna be gone pretty soon. I moved for work. I was moving around a lot for what I do for a living. Kind of stopped doing gaming stuff, stopped streaming, really kind of stopped buying shoes. 8 months. I never thought I would be making a video, honestly. I didn't think I'd be coming back, but I just want to do this for fun. I'm just going to come back and not really take it too serious. Just make videos again, what I like doing. I like doing my own foot reviews and my sneaker reviews. And this video, I have 4 pickups, these boxes behind here. These all just came in a couple days ago. These came in last week, so I'm going to do just a bunch of, I guess, my most recent pickups. Holy crap, it feels crazy to be back on YouTube. It's been a long time. I did make another channel for Funko stuff, and I'm still kind of somewhat dabbling in that, but not really. So this is kind of like, I see all my boys. I see Danny, Heat for the Feet. He's blowing up. Props to Danny, man. He's grinding it out. He's making multiple videos a week. That's what you gotta do. You gotta be consistent. And now he's 7,000 subs, I think, which is great for him. Last time, I remember when he was at like 2,000 or 3,000 subs. Like, he was real low, and now he's just grinding it out. So happy for him. That's what you gotta do if you guys want to be popular on YouTube, I guess. You gotta just be consistent. That's really what it takes. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got recently. So a lot of these are from Sneaker Shouts on Instagram, guys. If you guys want crazy deals, that's the Instagram to follow. Sneaker Shouts. I'll link it down below. Instagram.com/Sneaker Shouts. And they post steals all the time. I actually have their notifications turned on because whenever they post something, I'm like quick to buy. So these are the Tress C runs, I guess you can call them. I tried these on in store at Foot Locker, House of Hoops. They actually charged, I think they were like on sale for like 70, 78 or 80 some dollars. And on Sneaker Shouts, they were on sale for 52, and I was like, you know what, these are cool. I want a new Boost shoe. These are a different color, different kind of thing going on. Cool box. So here they are. I did wear these, so they might look a little dirty. I just put them back in the box for the video. But these are pretty sweet, and even though a couple of the people that I hang around with called them children's shoes, they look like child shoes, just because I guess the colors, but I really like the look. They kind of look like a dad shoe, but this Boost is super comfy, and I really like it. So for wearing them for about a couple days, maybe 4 days, they're really cool, and they're not hard to match with. You can wear them with anything, but I always wear these Adidas Tiro soccer pants, and they look good with those. So great shoe. I will have an on foot and a full review of this shoe. I just wanted to show all my pickups recently. So that's the first one. In this box, actually, same Sneaker Shouts. I got a pair of New Balances. I haven't had a pair of New Balances. I don't think I've ever purchased. No, those are all Asics. Yeah, I think I've only had Asics. So this might be my first New Balance, to be honest. And these are the New Balance CM997s. Also, Sneaker Shouts, New Balance 997H. These shoes are clean, dude. And I saw a picture on foot on Sneaker Shouts, and I'm like, guess what? For $37 shipped. These were $37, okay? And I think they are super clean. And I actually threw them on right out of the box, and they're pretty comfortable. So I really like the little aqua blue inside, and then the little on the heel, you got the little hit there. But the pink New Balance logo on the side really pops for me. And I just couldn't believe the price point. I mean, they're so sick. And I've never owned New Balances, and I went true to size, 9.5. They fit perfect. This shoe is dope. And once I actually put them on foot, everything looks better on foot. So once I do an on foot review, you guys will see. You guys need to follow this page, because $37. So 52 for those, 37 for these. These are sick. I can't wait to actually wear them out and try them and do a review. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait for that. 37 bucks. Can you believe it? All right, so now third pickup. I just wanted a white shoe. It's definitely dad looking. I wanted a white shoe. They get real dirty, whatever. I know that. The Adidas Young 96s, 9.5. retailed for $99.99. You guys can see that, right? $20 plus shipping. $26 these costed me to get to my house. $26. Where can you get Adidas shoe for $26 besides like Gazelles or really crappy like All-Stars, I guess? But dude, look at these shoes. Still have the tag on it. I didn't actually wear these. They do look like a dad shoe. They might look like the Nike oh my god, what is that? I can't even think of it. You know, the dad shoe. I don't know why I can't think of it. But that Nike shoe, that's what this reminds me of a little bit. All white, Young 96. These aren't bad. They're pretty clean, and I know they're gonna get dirty, but I mean, for $26 shipped, can you really be upset? I mean, that's crazy. I'm gonna wear these out tonight, I think. Like, these are awesome. So, $26, Adidas Young 96. Full review coming. I mean, the only reason I've got these, I wouldn't be paying $100 for these. No chance that I'm paying that much. But $26, I mean, if you guys bought these before they were on sale, I feel bad. Because, like, they're alright, but, like, $26! I can't, dude, come on, you gotta follow that page. Or follow me, and I always repost stuff on my Instagram. Tort6Os, I always repost stuff. So here we go. $26 for the Adidas Young 96 in the all-white colorway. Little hits of like, this is a little darker, obviously the upper's white, but this is kind of like a grayish off-white color. But $26, I mean, come on. So I thought that was really clean, really great pickup there. So overall, just over $100 for these 3 pairs of shoes, okay? Tressie runs 50, 37 on the New Balances, and then 26 on that. That's basically like 110 bucks for 3 pairs of shoes that are all pretty awesome. So you get the Boost, you get some New Balance, and you get classic Adidas's Young 96. Then yesterday I got my Yeezys. These came out on Saturday. These are the Lundmark colorway, and my buddy told me this is the first Yeezy without the pull tab. I don't know if that's true. Google, I will talk to you about that. I'm not sure. People say you half size up on Yeezys, but I have the Butters in a size 10, and my reverse Belugas or Beluga 2.0s are 9.5, and I actually really like the way they feel. So I'm gonna stick with 9.5s on Yeezys for the rest of whenever I get more. The new colorways coming out in September, like the white clone, or I don't know what they're called, but they look cool too. These shoes, man, like I wasn't able to get the Sesames or the Clays I really wanted, and the blue tints never was able to get. So these I'm just so happy I got, and this is such a clean colorway. Like, I love the pattern on these, and there's no pull tab, just like, so the Belugas and the Butters both have pull tabs. This does not. But I really love the like cream midsole here, and then that sand color, like the peach. I don't even know what that is. It just looks so nice on the bottom. And the upper. This style is so cool, and this is my first, actually no. Yeah, this is my second Yeezy without the Supply 350 on the side. So this doesn't have any writing, which is also clean. But you have that see-through little vent over there, and then you can see underneath the toe box, the little perforated stuff going on under there. But yeah, this design is really clean. I really love the color. This really can go with anything. You can wear jeans, you can wear Adidas soccer pants, you can wear anything, and these will go. And I just really like this colorway. I'm so happy I was able to get it for retail. I actually was able to cart 2, but I couldn't check out the second one. I guess I didn't have my other credit card ready quick enough. I don't know. But the Lundmark Yeezy, man, this thing is sick. I can't wait to do a full on-foot review because I am keeping these. I am not selling these. So that is it, guys. A 10-minute video of my 4 latest pickups. Cannot wait to make all my reviews. It feels so good to be back. It feels so good to actually make shoe videos again. Like, I just can't. I keep watching videos on YouTube of shoe people. It's been years since I actually took YouTube serious. But it's cool to be back. I just like it. I love making videos, and I'm going to do all my reviews of these shoes. Even if you don't care about any of these shoes, it'd be cool if you come back and watch some of my videos. So, thank you for watching. At Tort6Os, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I streamed yesterday. It's not. I don't take it that serious. So, Thank you guys for watching. @Tor6 O's everything. If you like this video, comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Peace!